Hey, this is Quinn at Halo Inc. Today I'm going to show you how to use the KPI sheet for our print departments. So this is an improvement we made to keep track of production time on things to see if other things are actually improvements or if the time is still the same after we're making changes to things. So the sheet is set up that you put the order number in so that if we need to reference anything else we know what to go back and look at. The material, the ICC profile, or if it's just being run on the plotter, then you don't need to put the ICC profile in. Equipment types and settings, so type 1 are our printer types. There's, I think, 30 different types on the printer, and then our conditions are our plotter conditions, so that we can see this one's being printed, and then it has 2 cut paths. Our square footage of the art, and then the production time it took start to finish. So this is a job that I'm setting up for right now. Once I get ready to run it, I'm going to start my timer. So this production time is the full production time, ripping the file, printing it, post-production, packaging, all of that's included in that. And so once I get it open in Onyx, I'll get the square footage of the piece that I'm printing, and then I can start my timer.